Hello everyone, welcome to Abacus with Kashish. I am Kashish Garg and today I will be teaching you how to do counting on Abacus. So before we start to learn how to do counting in Abacus, we first need to learn the values of all the beads present here. So it is really easy if you pay attention. So as you can see, we have two decks of beads. One is the upper bead which are on the upper side of the abacus, and one is the lower beads which are on the lower side of the abacus. So they have very distinct values. Lower bead. One lower bead has a value of 1. So if I want to make 1, what will I do? I will plus 1 here, as you can see. So the value on my abacus will be 1. But if I want to do something upper than 4, means greater than 4, like 5, 6, 7, I will have to take the help of the upper beads present over here. So the value of one upper bead is 5. So if I want to add 5 here, I will add it like this, 5. Let's learn it from the beginning. As I've told you that one lower bead signifies the value of 1 and one upper bead signifies the value of 5. So now we'll learn how to do counting from 1 to any anonymous number. So first we need to find ones rod. How will we find ones rod? Very easy. You can see there are 5 dots here. They each represent a different rod. So if we count 2 beads from our right side, 1, 2, 2 beads from our left side, 1, 2. So then we'll be left with one bead rod. That will be the ones rod, or you can also say the middle one. So on the middle one, we'll be plussing or adding all the 1-digit numbers from 0 to 9. So if you want to say 0, it is very easy. Just set nothing on the abacus like right now. So the value on my abacus right now is 0. But if I want to add 1, how will I add it? Simply add one lower bead, as the value of one lower bead is 1. If I want to add 2 here, how will I add it? 1 plus 1 is equals to 2, so 2 beads. If I want to add 3, 3 ones make 3, so 3 beads. If I want to add 4, how will I add it? I'll take the help of 4 beads here, and this is the bead, these are the beads of 4. Now how will we add 5? As I've told you, one upper bead signifies the value of 5. So I'll be adding one upper bead here to make 5. If I want to add 6, how will I add it? I cannot add it directly, obviously, because I don't have 6 beads here. What will I do? I will take the help of both upper beads and lower beads. So if we say we are adding 5 here, we need to add one more. So how will we add one more? By simply adding one lower bead. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So this is the value of 6. If we were to add 7, we would add 5 and 2, which is 7. If you want to add 8, we'll add 5 and 3, that is 8. If we want to add 9, we'll add 5 and 4, that will be 9. So this was the concept of only 1 digit. Now we're moving on to 2 digits, which also includes the tens rod. So first we'll learn what is the tens rod and how will we find it. So we already know the concept of ones rod, the middle one. Now just to the left of our ones rod here, this rod is called as the tens rod. So all the numbers like 1 in 10, 2 in 29, 3 in 34, 4 in 45, etc., etc. will be adding on this rod only, because this is called the tens rod. So let's know more about 2 digits. So we have already done about 0 to 9. Now we'll move on to 10. So 10 is made up of what? 1, 1 and 0. That is nothing. So how will we add it? Now 1 is on the 10th place, so we'll add 1 on our 10th rod. So here we'll add 1. And then we have to add 0 on our ones rod, as a 0 is on ones place in our number 10. So here you can see nothing is added here, so it automatically means I've added nothing here to make it 0. So the value of this will be 1 0 10. Similarly, if you want to add 11, 1 1, so 1 1 11. 12, 1 2 12. 13, 1 3 13. 14, 1 4 14. 15, 1 5 15. 16, 1 6 16. 17, 1 7 17. 18, 19 1 9. 20. Now in 20 we have the number 2 and 0, so 2 and 0 here, so 20. Let's do bigger numbers now. 49, 4 9. 49. 53, 5 3 53. 75, 7 5 75. 99, 9 9 99. 34, 3 4 34. And you can add on like these numbers from 0 to 99 if you know the concept of just 10, because it is really easy to do it. You just have to see the numbers. Like if I am to able to do 98, so 9 and then 8, so 98, very easy. Let's move on to hundreds rod now. Hundreds rod will be just the adjacent rod on the left side of our tens rod, so this will be our hundreds rod. So here we'll be adding all the numbers like 1 in 119, 2 in 271, etc. So let's add some numbers now. So if I want to add 100, how will I add it? So in 100 we have 100, so 100, so 100. Any other number like 271, so 271, 271. 549, 549, 549. 845, 845, 845. Like this, we'll make all the numbers from 100 to 999 with the help of hundreds rod on abacus. If we were to able to do thousands rod, 10,000 rod, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crores, and etc. etc., we can do it just by seeing the rod next to our rod which we are doing on right now. So if I have to find 10th rod, this one, 100th rod, the next one, 1000th rod, the next one, 10,000th rod, the next one, lakh, next rod, the 10 lakh, next rod, and more. Now let's do a quick recap. We'll just see the counting from 1 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you for attending today's session. I am signing off, Kashish Garg, and I hope you liked today's session. Please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment for us to know more about you and how you like our videos. Thank you and have a great day ahead.